Party. Party! I need to clean that mess up. This is a shame. Late night Walmart pit stop. Party's here. I'm just kidding. It's a mess. It's a shame. I should clean that up. I'm just saying. We're gonna go ride the tricycles. And everything. So this is what late night Walmart looks like. Oh, detour. Baby seats, $39. Roll back. Oh, this is a mess. You need to do your spring cleaning. Come on now. Party hard. Shame being tripped out of box. That's stupid. Oh, I want to make some dog food. Shame. I just want to dance. But how come I can't get a shoe now? So I guess I can't get shoes.
Like mopping up the floor.
What if I want to get flip-flops? Like the shame, I can't.
Oh, shut up.
Bounty balls. Oh, it went out. Shoot. Wait, when we got.
I didn't realize I'm looking at the floor on purpose.
Go Tony. Go Tony. Go Party. Do it. I don't think you're gonna get very far on that, sweetie. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, two for you. Oh, yeah. Do the catwalk. Do the catwalk. Oh. Yeah. Oh, he's fierce.
Ryan, walk me through the trick. That was Shakira tried stuff.
Oh, go. Oh, go. He got it. Yeah.
Lisa. What's up, peeps? Yeah, Walmart. Bubbles. I thought that said boobies. Okay. Let's buy some bubbles. Sexy. I'd tap that. Not really. Okay, so I'm ready for the beach. Here's the mirror. What's up? How I look? Party. Party on the boardwalk.
Oh yeah.
Tony, you Mary Poppins bastard. That's like too much. It's like hanging out for you.
This is my pocketbook. Oh, this is like the runway.
Oh, he's fierce.
Danny, that's confused.
Now turn and Vogue.
Go over his head. Helen, do you realize our parents would kill you if they saw you doing this?
Victorious.
Helen, oh my god, stop. Do you have...
Really?
There's a limit to where...
Oh, get it. Oh, he's getting it.
Mommy and Daddy saw us, I'd be dead. Like, we took over Walmart. I'm not kidding. We took over Walmart.
No, we did.
Party hard, everybody. You know, don't even worry about it. Should they have Perry the platypus? Yes.